Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to recharge the AC system on a Dodge Magnum or a Dodge Charger Chrysler 300. We have the 3.5 engine here, but if you have 2.7, 5.7, it will be very close procedure as well, guys. Once you open the hood of the vehicle, right here next to the hood latch, you have the information that you need for the AC and the capacity, because different engines have different capacity. This one, as you can see, all of them nowadays use R134A, and it takes 737 grams right there of R134A, and that's the oil. But in our case, we just had a small leak. We didn't leak any oil, so what we're going to need is just to add Freon, because the system is empty now. We replaced the holes. Okay, and one can is 340 grams, the small cans, guys. You can get bigger ones, and two cans will be 680, which will be a little bit less than what is recommended, but two cans will work perfectly. We used it in the past, so you don't even have to worry about a third one. If you need to, you can buy one, but don't overfill the system. And now what you need, guys, right here is the low pressure side right there. As you can see, let me show you, that's where the intake is. That's where it's on the bottom. So you need to unscrew that cap now, and you need to install the hose, okay, right there with the can. So go ahead and install it. Clicks good. Okay, just wait for it. Make sure it's in all the way. It's not yet, so it's pretty bad location. Okay, guys, what you need to do next, you need to turn the car on, make sure it's running. You need to have the fan on all the way on cold now, and you need to press the AC button on. It needs to illuminate. Okay, just like that, guys. And now you need to start emptying the can. Okay, let me show you. Never go upside down. You need to go just like that. And after a little bit, guys, you'll be able to see the compressor kicking in. Okay, the clutch right there, that's the AC compressor. So just keep adding Freon. It will take a little bit to turn on. Okay, it's still okay. It kicked in, guys, as you can see right there. And it's taking a little bit faster than in the beginning. So you need to go ahead and empty the whole can now. Okay, it'll take you probably about 2 to 3 minutes to empty the first can all the way. Okay, guys, what you can do now, with empty the first one, you're going to disconnect it now. You can turn the engine off if you need to. You're not in danger there, but it's a little bit close to the exhaust, so it might be hot. You're going to switch cans now. Okay, and now we're going to use the second one. There will be always a little bit left in the can. You will never be able to get everything out of it, because there is pressure in the system, which will be equal pressure in the can. Okay, so we are going to connect it and empty the second can now. Okay, and outside right now it's about 70 degrees, guys, so we need to be probably between 25 and 45 psi right there, as you can see, and we're around 25 now after about 10 and a half. Alright, guys, right there, as you can see, we're at 35, perfect pressure right now. And let's see inside if it's cold. Okay, and oh, it's freezing, it's ice cold. It's at 40 degrees right now on the temperature sensor, and if we leave it there on, you'll get even probably colder than that. So that's the whole procedure, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.